Finding the best budget hand mixer can feel tricky when you just want something simple that works without draining your wallet. The truth is, the best budget hand mixer is the one that handles daily baking, cleans up fast, and doesn't quit halfway through cookie dough. I've tested plenty in real home kitchens, the kind most US households have, and I've learned what actually matters after weeks of use. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Show Vigor Electric Hand Mixer. The Show Vigor Electric Hand Mixer feels made for quick, everyday baking. I picked it up for simple cakes and eggs, and it does the job well. The 7-speed control gives more range than I expected at this price. Low speeds stay gentle, and turbo helps when batter gets thick. I also like the lightweight build. It feels easy on the wrist and stores without effort. The stainless steel attachments mix cream and dough fast. Cleanup is simple since they are dishwasher safe. The eject button works smoothly, but you must stop the mixer first. That takes a little habit. For beginners or small kitchens, this mixer feels practical, affordable, and easy to live with. Number 4. Gualiu Electric Hand Mixer. The Gualiu Electric Hand Mixer is a fun little mixer that surprised me in daily use. The pink color stands out, but performance matters more. I noticed the turbo boost mode right away. It helps when cream needs speed fast. The mixer feels light in the hand and easy to control. I also like the quiet copper motor. It runs smooth and does not scream in a small kitchen. The 5 speeds cover most basic recipes. Eggs, frosting, and cake batter mix with ease. The whisk and dough hooks store neatly in the bag, which saves drawer space. I often rest it on the bowl edge, and that small detail helps a lot. There are limits. It needs breaks after long use, so heavy dough is not ideal. Still, for quick baking and simple meals, it feels reliable and friendly to use. Number 3. Oventi 5-speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Oventi 5-speed electric hand mixer is one of those tools I keep reaching for on busy days. It feels simple, light, and easy from the first use. I like how the lightweight build makes it comfortable, even during longer mixing sessions. My wrist never feels tired. The 5 speeds give good control for eggs, cream, and quick batters. It handles everyday baking without stress. What surprised me most is the snap-on storage case. It keeps everything neat in a small kitchen drawer. Cleanup is fast too. The beaters rinse clean and can go in the dishwasher. The grip feels secure, and the buttons respond well. That said, this mixer is not made for heavy bread dough. Thick bread mixes can push the motor. For the price though, that feels fair. If you want an affordable, no-fuss hand mixer for daily cooking, this one fits the job nicely. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-speed Electric Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is one of those tools you end up reaching for all the time. I've used it for quick cookie dough, whipped cream, and even thicker batters. It feels strong, but still easy to control. The quick burst power really helps when a mix feels stubborn. I also love the snap-on storage case. It keeps the beaters and whisk in one place, which saves time and space. The mixer sits well on the bowl, so drips stay inside instead of on the counter. That small detail matters during busy baking days. The 6 speeds feel practical, not confusing. One thing to note is the plastic body. It's durable, but it won't feel premium. Still, for everyday baking, this mixer feels reliable, simple, and stress-free. Number 1. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. This KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer is one of those mixers you reach for almost every day. I use it for quick cookie dough, pancakes, and whipped cream, and it just feels easy. The soft grip handle makes long mixing comfortable even when my hand gets tired. I also love the lockable swivel cord because it stays out of the bowl and works well for both left and right-handed use. The 5 speeds cover most home needs. Speed 1 is gentle for nuts and chips. Speed 5 handles cream well. It's light, so it doesn't pull your arm down. Cleanup is simple too, which matters on busy days. It's not meant for heavy bread dough, and that's okay. For everyday baking, it's reliable. For many homes, this is the best cheap hand mixer that still feels well made. It's simple, practical, and easy to trust. Final verdict. If you want a hand mixer that feels reliable, well-built, and easy to use for everyday baking, I personally recommend the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer as the best overall pick. It has smooth controls, a comfortable grip, and enough speed range to handle batters, creams, and more with ease. Its performance feels consistent and dependable in real kitchen use. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done without fuss, the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer is a solid choice. It offers good power, a quick burst boost, and handy storage at a price that fits most budgets. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the hand mixer that fits your style and need best.